Actually, yesterday night I saw some chart on TradingView from you as like Euro JPY, Euro or Euro CISF or JPY, and then I researched. I also saw this, and uh, most of actually all followed by your rules, order block, and breaker, and then we're going to in the market, right? But I want to when how can we find swing level by just indicator?
No, I'm not using any indicator.
No, not indicator. I'm saying this moving average. You
Oh, I mean the moving average you're using.
yeah.
So okay, so what? Ask me again. Okay. How can you find?
Yes. Um, when two moving average cross and
It's
it will
not
follow the trend, then we'll
okay. Let me show you different stuff. Okay, are you seeing MT4?
yeah.
Okay. So let me put you some moving averages. Okay.
Yes.
You should have something like this.
Yes.
Okay, so now not even looking at a higher time frame, but I can I can look at a higher time frame, but not even looking at a higher time frame.
Okay.
Um, we've got the cross here.
Yes.
It's Zoom makes everything work so slow.
Yes.
Okay, so now it's, well, I'll show you from the weekly down.
Yes.
Uh, okay, so here we hit some level
Yes.
and it looks to be rejected.
Yeah.
Okay,
Exactly. Exactly.
so if you go on the daily, it was rejected and it broke this swing low.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
daily.
Yes.
If we go on the 4 hours, so that if it breaks this swing low, it's probable that it would come down to this swing low or even to
Yes.
the other swing low. Okay,
Yes.
here on the daily. So let me mark with triangles. So this swing low was broken.
Yes.
We've got a new one. Then we have another one here. And see how all of these are together?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we got
Yes.
this one. And then
Yes.
it's it's very slow. But anyway, you're getting the point, right?
Yes.
What do you think it's below all these clean levels and below this one and below this one? What's below these levels?
This level, lots of SL, lots of stop loss.
Great,
Yeah.
exactly. So at
Lost.
this level here somewhere there is a very good probability that there are stops.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
At the same time, you see how price went up with no resistance? Price
Right.
goes up, up, I'll zoom in. But this is very slow, but anyway, I'll zoom in. Just takes a bit. I think it's zoom, because zoom kind of messes up with the, okay. So see how price goes up, 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 no resistance, no down candle?
Yes. Up.
Okay, so this is an area where price probably will come down with no resistance as well.
Yes.
So if we broke the swing,
Yes.
it's very probable that it will come down here to the
Yes.
next order block,
Yeah.
which would be these two if you combine them together.
Yes.
So let's go into a lower time frame. Again, on the 4-hour, it also broke several swing lows, and it went up to that point there, which I entered live, not at the
Yes.
best price, but I entered here. This one is demo. This one is
Yes.
demo. So the same thing that I was showing you with this, with the big candle happened here. Came down, and then went up to the other ones. Now, if I go to the, are you following me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now I'm looking for a place to go short
Okay.
because I think price is going down there
Yes. Yes. Next order block.
to
And
on the daily.
yes.
So the 15 minutes, now we're going to look for the same thing. It took out these stops here. Now it's going down. Now, we need to be patient. If it breaks, if you go on a lower time frame even, you'll see that this already happened, and you
Yes.
could have an entry. But now, if it goes down below this one,
That will be good entry, right? That will be good entry for us.
you wait.
Yes. If I wait,
If it goes below this one, like if it comes here,
then pull back.
you'd put
Ye-
the order below this one.
Yes.
I'll put an order. I'll go into the 5 minutes to show you, and I'll put an order. Now, there was a break here,
Yes.
and I got this breaker here on the 5 minutes. So I'm going to put a sell. This is demo, but Oops. I put a buy. I'm gonna put a sell limit. It's not letting me cancel because of time, but I'll cancel it in a little bit. I hate how slow this is. Sell limit. I'll cancel the buy. Still no. Let me put just below that. Okay. It's hitting the breaker now. Okay, I got
Yes.
in the sell. The sell was triggered already. Okay.
Yes.
Forget about the buy. The buy was a mistake
Yes. Yes.
of computer slowness. But even though we're in profit at this moment, I want to cancel it. But I think my broker, I can't cancel between a little. Let's see here. Goodbye. Okay. Anyway, no, I want to put the stop in, and I want to put the profit in.
So we will put stop. Yeah, top of the 5 minutes.
No,
Yes.
no, the stop will be. This is the 5 minutes. The stop will
Yes.
be above. I'll get there.
Okay.
I'm just getting really frustrated with with the time this takes. So forget about the buy. The buy shouldn't be here. The buy shouldn't be here. Let's go into the 15 to see where the stops should be. Let's put the stops above this block here,
Okay.
or let's say above that one there. Okay.
Okay.
Now the target. Let's go into the 4 hours. And let's put the target below this area,
Okay.
just below that area, and above that one, above this one, and below this one.
Okay.
I can even. Okay. So at this point, even I could even do this. I'm risking 22 euros or dollars to make 122. Okay.
It's huge. It's really good risk management.
Okay.
Money management.
Let's see if I can close this already. Still not. So let's go back into the 5 minutes. So we'll cancel that one, the one that was a mistake. And now let's just wait to see if it comes up. or it holds this level.
Yes.
And in the meanwhile, I'll keep trying and close this one.
Yes.
I just follow the same rules.
Yes.
I'm not even looking at moving averages at this point. I don't have them plotted here.
Okay.
Okay. And remember, I don't use moving averages. I just told you to use them because you needed to be I needed to control the amount of entries you. Okay. Only the cells. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So only the cell is.
So we will just we are just risking 22 pips for 100 plus pips pro.
No. We're risking 22 euros. That's in 0.3 lots.
And as pips, how much?
Yeah, well, give me a second.
Okay.
We're risking, in this case, about 100 to make
Yes.
about 1,000.
Yeah.
But it's a long-term trade. It's not so. But you could easily have your stop below. I just want you to see what's. Let's keep on the 5 minute. You see how I got the entry? I'm already in profit.
Yeah.
So just let's wait some more and see if it breaks this low.
Yeah.
And if you heard a ring on the phone a little earlier, that was my real trade entry because I had an order there.
Yeah.
Now I have it. I did it on demo for you, but I had it already in
Yes.
mind.
Yes.
But
Real account.
so that's why I need to choose this pair and so
Yes.
you see how I waited?
Yes.
If I was only on the 15, it would be the same. I'd need for it to break this
Yes. Yes. That will
and
be pure entry.
then come back to it.
Yes.
Okay. If I was on the 1 hour, I'd need for it to break this one and then come back to it.
Yes.
So I went into the 5 minutes.
It's already falling.
So
So if we follow 4 hour and follow Fibonacci level, can we wait for 1.6086 or 80?
did I pull a fib here? The fib just helps you because
Yes.
you don't really need. I didn't pull a fib here,
Okay. 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 Okay.
but I'm sure if I pull a fib to this level on the 1 hour or 4 hours, probably not the 4 hours, but on the 1 hour, it will come up to a level like that.
Yeah.
So we want to pull a fib from this break-in structure,
Yes.
not this, because this was already retraced,
Yes. Yes.
and this was retracement of that one. and this didn't get to that level. That one got to that level.
Yes.
So if I pull a fib from there to there, that's the level you were talking about. But I didn't pull a fib because I'm looking at price levels.
Yes.
So now let's try and erase this. Give me a second.
Uh,
Give me a second.
oh, okay, okay, sure. মামা, এই তো আমি বাসায় আমির সাথে আমি কথা বলছিলাম। আমি বললাম যে আসবো নাকি করে না, আবার নাকি ফ্যানের সাথে গেছে এবং ওই যে ম্যাচ নাকি করতেছে, চেঞ্জ করতেছে। লালমাটি, হ্যাঁ। ওটা কি ওর কোন ফ্রেন্ড? প্রতীক্ষা কেমন? ভালোই আছে। এই একটু আগে কথা হলো, বললো যে এখানে নাকি আসছে, টুকটাক নাকি জিনিসপত্র নিয়ে যাচ্ছে আর কি। ওর কাছে কি টাকা পয়সা কি আছে নাকি? আহ, ওটা তুমি পরে দিও, ওর যদি লাগে তো আমাকে, আমি ওকে বললাম যে ওটা আহ, এত টাকা, এত টাকা শপিং করার জন্য কেউ দেয় নাকি? আহ,
Okay, I'm back.
হ্যালো,
Yeah, I'm back.
ইয়া, সরি, ওকে।
So now let's wait. You see, the rules were the same on the 5 minute, then on the 4 hours, then on the daily. The rules are all the same.
ইয়েস,
No, I just wanted to break this low for you to be comfortable that this was a good entry.
ইয়েস, আই থিঙ্ক that will be better and safe.
Sorry?
That will be better and safe trade.
Again? I didn't.
I said if below the, if broke this level, break this level, and after retestment, if I enter, and that will be better. I think that
Yeah.
will be better. Yeah.
Yeah. If now, if you miss this, now you got to wait for a break in structure, and then for it to come back to the logical level.
Yes.
So if it breaks now, you got a breaker here. These two candles would be a breaker.
Yes.
If it breaks, you put your order somewhere around 160.29 and then wait for it to come back.
Yes. That's good. And What do you think about Euro JPY? You posted very early, I think.
The same thing.
Same thing, right? Yes, exactly.
Here, the tricky part is that your stop has to be above this one.
Yes, so I think you are trading good nowadays, right?
Yeah, no, I'm doing good. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Uh,
think yes.
so let me
You're
show you
doing.
here on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes. See the same thing. Zoom in, take out. Same thing happened here. 5 minutes.
Yes,
It broke the level and it came back to the same level. So you could have an entry order around here.
yes,
Okay. So it's the same thing. And if euro is going down, well, it's probably going down with many pairs.
yes, yes,
It could it could still come higher, but I'm happy where I entered, even though it could still come higher
yes,
because it hit my blue line. That's
yeah.
where I expected it to hit, the blue line. It
Okay,
could come up until this candle or half this candle.
I
So,
see.
but my stop is way above. So
Okay, so much tricky. The market is so much tricky, right?
if you're patient, it really doesn't get to be tricky.
Yeah. Patience is must. We must need to be patient.
Yeah,
I entered Euro CISF. I entered Euro CISF and I think it's
long or short.
shorts.
When?
Few on hours back. On hours back. And my entry is at 1.1984.
Uh,
or DSD still going down, or it's time to reverse?
What? Which one?
Or Aussie USD or DSD?
Just let me finish what I'm doing.
Okay.
Just let me put that order that I entered. I'm on my journal writing down the stuff, so
Okay.
which pair?
What NZD?
AED, MCD. You seeing Trading View?
Yes. Sorry, what USD and what NZD? Same. Yes. Or USD both.
Oh, it got to my level. Dollar strong, so it might continue down, but it got to
Yeah.
my level. Actually, my orders are a little below, around here, but I should have exited to last night. But my orders
Okay.
are here, so I'm just keeping waiting. If it breaks structure high, I'm going to get out.
Okay.
And if I go here and I look for, where did I put that? It was here. And this was, no, this is not the pair. It's AUD USD was before that. Where is it? AUD USD is this one.
So now you're free to trade, right?
That's the move. You see?
Yeah.
I thought it would go a little high. It went a little higher than I expected, but anyway, came down. And my orders to buy back are somewhere around here.
Okay. So now
I'll
you are
probably be out today or tomorrow. I'll probably get out of all these the trades I got on this pair.
actually I now you are back for trading for full time, right?
Um,
After
I'm I'm well. I got a lot of projects at the moment, uh, but yeah, I'm always trading full time, and because I only look at the charts during
how can I
the night.
would you please help me? How can I copy my copy not mine? It's your template to my another PC from my laptop to PC.
Oh, on okay, on MT4. Yeah.
Yes, yes, on another MP4.
Are you looking at MT4 now?
Yes,
Okay, so you go to on the one you want to copy. Look,
yes.
price still going up. Uh, came a little down, so let's wait. It didn't. This breaker didn't hold it. Let's see if these blocks hold it. So you go to File, open the data folder.
Okay.
Then you go to, you're probably not seeing this. Let's see. Now, are you seeing Windows Explorer?
Uh, yes, I'm watching. Yes,
Okay. You copy all these files
yes.
into the same folder on your other computer. On your
Okay,
other
okay.
computer, you go again to,
All the files, right?
yeah, everything.
Okay, okay, okay.
Is it the same account?
No, it will be another account.
Okay, so don't copy the config, copy the rest.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
copy
okay,
the config, copy just this.
okay.
If it was the same account, you'd copy the config.
Just I just need to copy all without config, right?
Yeah, don't. If you copy the config, when you open, it will open with the same account you have on the first computer.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, Diego. Hope for your best. And I think lots of thing need to learn from you.
Yeah. Do you want to wait more, or you want to see if it's rejected here, or
Yeah, if rejected here, then I can in, right?
you're on demo, right?
Yeah, sure. Yes, I'm back. Hello.
Okay.
And euro still, yeah, it's still looking good to go down.
It's in profit again.
Yeah, yeah. Euro JBP, I was looking for buy from 2 weeks ago. I was looking for a buy, but finally it's going up. And I last day I saw your chart, and I think it will go up more, almost 100 to 200 pips.
Yeah, I caught this live, not from the bottom. I think I entered somewhere around here, and then it went up. But
I need, uh,
euro,
yeah.
but JPY yen on live, I caught it from the top.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Uh,
I caught it there.
I
Or
need a lesson. I need a lesson from you that how can I increase my actually my money management is maybe it's too much poor. Uh, I am losing 100 pips, but I'm taking just 40 or 50 pips by trade. This is how I can't. This is how I can't increase my balance.
yeah, why are you losing 100 pips and only getting 400 for 40?
Yes, yes, because when it's getting, because I am not patient, because when it's getting to 40 pips, 50 pips, then I am closing my trade. But I am holding my trade still big SL.
Yeah, but look, the reason you go into a trade should be the same as when you get out.
Yes,
That's
yes,
time frame. So if here on the 1 hour we see there was a break here in structure,
yes,
break here, so it's probably going down. Then we keep looking to see when will there be a break in structure on the 1 hour.
yes,
So if price is rejected here and there's a break in structure and it looks to go up, I can get out there. I can even wait for the retracement of that break in structure to get out.
yes, exactly.
It doesn't make, if I think price is coming down here, I'm not going to get out here. I'll be patient. My
Yes,
stop's there to protect me. And even if it doesn't go all the way down where I want it to be, if it's rejected here and does a break in structure, and the time frame I'm looking at, um, I'll get out there. Or
yeah,
you could do what many people do. That's pull the fib and you take out part on the 127 extension and you take another part on the 162 extension,
yes,
or even go for the full swing, for symmetrical swing that's to 200. So if you do that, you'll always have, or your you'll have always a bigger profit than your loss.
yeah. So, mm, this is the problem of mine that because I can't manage my risk management, so I can increase my.
But you're on demo. Why would you get out at 40?
No, I am just talking about when I get in live. As I told you last month, I am in live for with $100 account. I am increasing my balance, then I am losing my balance. So no profit, no, yeah. Then I stop my then I stop trading in real. So again back to demo.
And on demo, how many pips do you usually? When?
In demo, I can use as like 100, 50, 60, 80, 100, 100 plus to 200 in demo.
So just do the same.
Yes, I have to.
you keep you keep because unless you do it, you do the same. If you're successful in demo and then you go live and you change the rules, you're just
Yes.
playing around with your money. It's like going into the casino. There's no you don't have any advantage.
Yeah, you're right.
So why are you practicing and studying and wasting your time if then it's like
Yeah,
I don't know, let's say
you're right.
like you practice, you go to driving school and
Yeah.
you're learning to drive and you drive very well, and then you get your car and you crash it, and then you go into the school again, and then you drive really well with the car that's not yours, but then you go back to your car and you're scratching the car on every wall and bumping the wheels on the sidewalk, and then you go back to to your school and you drive really well, and then you go back and it just end up wasting your car.
Yeah,
It doesn't
you're
make
right.
sense. If you want to try stuff, try it on demo. If you want to I'm much more patient on live trade than I am on demo now. Uh, on demo, I'll just put the order and forget about it.
Yes.
On live one, I'll be very precise. No, I want you to come to this price, and it just you need a lot of patience to do that.
Yeah,
That.
need lots of patience. You're right. Yeah, from now after having a vacation, I'm serious for trading. I'll do on demo more time. Then I will consider to go for live. No hurry. I will just lots of thing to learn. And do you have any new video you released for last 2 weeks?
No, I've got about 4 videos new, but I didn't post them. They're not
Uh-huh.
online.
So if you can post. Then I can watch them. You can watch them.
Um, yeah, I'm thinking about it because they have information that it's not mine, and I shouldn't be sharing it. So I made the videos. Uh, it's for my daughter. She grows up, but because not there's information that I shouldn't be sharing it because it's not mine, and it's
It's
not
okay.
a but but anyway, the thing you're looking at right now, it's a simple thing. It's what I like
I
most
will.
to look at.
Yes.
Look here. Imagine you took a loan somewhere here. Here, the thing I told you, look for the direction and then trade it. It it Euro Aussie mm, crossed here, right?
Yeah. Cost.
Okay, this is really slow. I just hate it. Let's look at it while it's moving. While we're waiting for it to break structure on the downside. So not use okay fib. Okay, It crossed here. Now you wait, and you wait 1 day or 2 days for it to come back to your
Yes,
area.
yes.
Okay?
So listen to me. How can I draw here?
Yeah, with the annotation.
Yeah, annotate.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, I got it. Uh, Something is confusing to me, so much confusing to me, and for this reason, we will look for buy because it's cost. Okay, and also this breaker, r- right? This breaker, but
But this
when
breaker is for the downside. It
yeah,
breaks down. It doesn't break up, it breaks down. So it's a buy, it's a sell here.
yes, yes. So no, I'm just talking about one thing. This one, please. Uh, this one, when it's uh, wait, please. For this on, we will look for buy. But when
But
after going,
you need to wait for it to make sense. If you're here,
yes,
this is the range until here.
yes,
Then the range expands a little more. But if if you're, let me put some boxes on.
again, but
Let me just show you this.
okay,
If this is your range at this point, that means that this is the middle. Okay, this line is
okay,
the middle.
okay.
Does it make sense to be buying above the middle?
Above,
Like if this
above,
is discount price and this is premium price, that means this is expensive, this is cheap. Does it
yeah.
make sense to be buying it expensive?
No, 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 no. We can buy there.
Okay, so if you wait for price to come into the cheap area,
Yes,
then even this would be cheap if you were only looking at this range.
yes,
Okay, but did this range break that structure there?
yes,
Did it? This one?
yes,
No,
yes,
it did. This one didn't go above that one.
yes.
Did it go?
Uh,
This one or this one didn't go above this one.
yes, did not go about this one. Yes,
Okay, so you got all this range down, then you got this range up, but this range didn't break that.
yes,
This one broke. So
yeah.
now you're looking at
Retest, seed
this.
price.
Yeah, let's put the somewhere there. That's about the 50%. This is about right. So now after it breaks structure, you wait for it to come into discount price.
Yes,
And it comes here.
yes,
So now you go long.
yes, exactly. Here is my own question
Okay, let me finish.
okay.
You go long.
Yes,
Now what happens here? It breaks structure to the downside, right?
yes,
So using the same triangles,
Yes.
let me I put a fib here also because you're using the fibs. It breaks structure to the downside.
Yes.
Now we've got that swing. We got the 50% that's around there.
Yes.
It's really okay. The 50% that's around there. And the rest of the swing that goes there. Okay, imagine you see this. Now zoom in. So you're
Yeah.
long, and your stop could be way above this.
Yes.
But you see this, the structure breaks down, and you're thinking, I gotta get out, I gotta get out, I gotta get out. And you get out here.
Yes.
You can still wait for the retracement and get out there.
Yeah.
The same thing you did here to enter, be patient to enter. If you lose this high, if you don't get out at this high, and then you wake up and market broke down, well, you wait for the retracement up to premium price to get out at the better price.
Yes.
It's the same rules. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
But for that, you need to be patient, and you need to look at the charts.
Yeah.
You can't wait for the market to do what you want. I mean, I'm sure there are people putting 1 to 3 trades every time.
Yeah.
I'm going to enter now, and I'm going to risk 1 for 3. Maybe the market doesn't want to go there. Maybe the
Yes.
entry wasn't perfect. Maybe the 1 gets hit before the 3. So you need to be patient. You need to know when to get in and when to get out. And if I'm looking for price to go way down, like 1,000 pips, and it doesn't, I don't need to lose this 90 pips. I can still make 100 or 200 or whatever, or 30. I can
Oh.
risk 30 to make 60 or 30 to make 30. But so if you enter here and you're getting out at 60 pips, when it didn't break any structure down on the time frame you're looking, or you did your setup in, you're just wasting money.
I see.
You need to write down your rules and follow them.
Okay.
And
Here is. Okay. You
and what
finish.
and think about, let's use your mother. Think about your mother. You want to help her.
Yeah.
So
Sure.
every time you're not following the rules, it's what I do. I think it's not my money I'm wasting. It's my daughter's money.
Yeah.
It's not it's not a dinner I'm losing here. It's I don't know, some toy for my daughter, or some place we can go on the weekend or something. So that's what I'm losing. I'm not losing. So that's why I need to
Mm,
be patient. I know in the long run I'll be profitable, and I know I'll lose some trades. No problem there. But if I was patient and I lose, well, I don't have any problem with that. If I
yeah,
was impatient and I lose, I'm really quite mad at myself
yeah.
because I didn't follow my rules. That's my fault.
Okay, maybe you're right. No, you're right. Absolutely right. I think must need to be patience. Trading means patience. Without patience, we can trade. That's it.
Yeah, you're just gambling
Yeah. So there
because
is.
any I could put my daughter here and she'd be selling and buying and just without knowing anything. Like if push a button when it's in profit, close it, then push another button when it's in profit, close it, and she'd be playing around like a game. And it's what you're doing. And you have, I don't know, 30 years more than she has. uh, so look, it keeps going our way.
Wow.
You see, so when it breaks down this place here, I could pull my stop in and just let it run. Or
Uh,
if I want to be less aggressive, it when it breaks down these lows, and this is the open of the week. When it breaks down the open of the week,
yes.
I'll pull in my stop. Whatever I want to do, just follow my rules, and you should have
Yeah.
rules. So now it looks like it has decided. It already
Yeah.
had decided the move way before we entered. Uh, so, but it just had to create liquidity below. Now it's going to take out these stops, go fast here, then take out these stops.
So I have a confusion. Sometimes I feel with this. Uh, can you please go to 15 minutes?
Go to where?
15 minutes. 15 minutes or 30 minutes? 15. Yeah. Uh, zoom zoom out, please.
Just wait a minute because it's really slow.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Go right. Go right, please.
Do you want me to put on a 1 hour? Because
Okay.
this is where
Okay.
what we
Okay.
were
Okay.
looking at.
Yes. Yes. This is why I feel with moving average. When I see this one, seems look I will go for buy. But after that, when I see this cross, then I feel confused. This is sometimes I feel confused with this. So sometimes when it cross, then I look for buy from this area. By when I see this one, then I feel confused and I feel worried.
Okay, remember that I only told you to use the moving averages because you were just buying and selling crazy. Okay?
Yes.
Now it crosses there. Where is the latest market structure direction?
Okay.
Where is it? You got this swing
Yes.
that's broken there.
Yes.
So this swing is never broken. It only is retraced to. So
Yes.
if it broke up, you're still going to lose some trades. But if it broke up and it retraced, it's telling you it wants to go up. So you wait for it to come to your zone.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Same thing here. It crossed
Okay.
there. Where is the latest market structure break? It's this one. It's broken there. This one
Yes.
is broken there. Okay? So now you've got this swing, and now you wait for it to come to your zone. That's this one. Would be somewhere around here. Just let me move the fibs. There, the break was there. See? Just
Yes.
where did it? You got to see the lines are only telling you personally, because I don't use them. They're telling you it's a rule we came up for you to know. I'm only going to trade in that direction. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
It doesn't give you the entry.
Yeah.
The entry has to be the break-in structure and then a move into premium or discount price.
Uh,
And that's what it does here. But now, pay attention now. I'm going to take out everything. And I'm going to take out this and this. Or I'm going to keep this. Now, you need to be paying attention to the market, because all this swing up
yes.
and now this swing down can be just a retracement. So price
Yes.
can, I'm looking for it to go way down, but it could also change directions here.
Yes.
So when it breaks this, or when it breaks somewhere around here, I'll put it to break even and then let it
Yeah.
run.
Yes. 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 Yes.
And if I
Exactly.
want to be more conservative, I can put the fib from here to here and then take out parts of my position.
Yes.
I can take parts of my position at 127 and at 162, or even wait for the symmetrical swing.
Yes.
Does it make sense?
Yeah. It makes sense to me.
Okay. Anything else?
No, for now it's enough. Thank you.
Okay, just keep looking at this. I'm going to stop the recording. But I'll keep looking at it to see where it goes.
Okay.
But just be patient. I can't help you if you're not patient.
I know.
And I think it's the only thing it's lacking, because if for some time you were making more than you were losing. So if now you're losing more than you're making, you changed something. This is later an update on how the trade is going. Um, Slowly, but in profit. Uh, Not a lot of profit. We're up 12 pips. Um, Came down strongly, then for an hour, for 15 minutes went up. Now it's hanging around here. After it breaks this low, I expect it to come back down to yesterday's or today's open, or the start of the week, which is here. So that's it. Just an update, and I'll update later when it comes down here or here, whenever I can. Okay. Talk later. Bye. Hi guys again. Another update. We're we're up 30 pips now. I'm still not going to move my stop closer, and I'm not going to let the trade go all the way. Just want to let the trade go below these levels, and then stop the video, because I think that's enough to show patience, and that's what I wanted to show on the rest of this video. So 30 pips up. You just saw the entry was there on those candles. So we were, I don't know, maximum half an hour in drawdown. If we go to 5 minutes, we can probably see. No, actually, we went in there 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe not even 15 minutes in drawdown. So it's continuing down. And now I'm expecting a move up, and then a continuation down. The move up could, again, Zoom just stops everything. Could come up to these levels here, where there was this old support. That would mean it would go around to 50% of the move down. So let's copy one of these, and already hit here. But trying to predict. Yeah, already went there, but if it came up a little bit, I'd be okay with it. No, I'd be expecting that. Now it's resisting. It's finding support here, but anyway, I think it's gonna go down, and probably maybe today won't break this low. And tomorrow we'll come back again and then continue down. Well, let's see. Anyway, I'm gonna leave now. So next update will be a lot of bars from now, I think. Um, at least 2 hours or maybe 3 or maybe even 5 or something like that. Or maybe tomorrow, I don't know, because I'm going out. And so that's it. I'll update you later. Bye. Hi guys. It's several hours after last recording. Had a horrible afternoon so far. Not because of trading, because of the stuff I had to do. It's all behind me now, and we're headed back to my terminal. So let's see what happened. I think when we were around here at 30 pips when I last recorded, something around there. I said I expected price to come back up to this blue line. I remember putting in the blue line and it went down to plus 42 pips. I was looking only at my live account, not at the demo, so I didn't. I wasn't following this one. Anyway, it's London close now, and as usual, price is going back. I don't expect it to come up here, but just in case it does and goes again above that, I will leave for now my stop where it is. And when it comes below this, I'll move my stop in closer. That was the plan all along. So let's keep to our plan. And just let me check out this candle, what happened well, nothing happened. Last news was at 3. It's 5:30 now, so nothing happened. At least no major news. So that's it. Let's keep it running and see where it takes us tomorrow or later today. But I don't want this to be a recording taking all week. So as soon as it gets below this, I'll stop the recording and we'll be happy with 75 pips. Okay? Do you guys agree? Or do you want to go for the full? Because it's going to take a month to get down there. Well, let's see. Maybe here. How about that? If we were to go for when I connect Zoom again, it's really slow. By the way, let's make it by the eye. This is 75. Okay. So, or go for 200. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Anyway, the average is 89 pips. Today it did 64 pips. So the average is more than this. So tomorrow we could have a better day with a stronger move down, hopefully, or maybe up. Anyway, I won't move my stop until it goes below this, and if it goes above this, I'll see how it reacts to this, and if it shows me that it's going up, I'll try and exit on the retracement and lose less than the 90 pips that are here. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi again. An update from yesterday. We had interest rates on Australian dollar during the night. It didn't move much. It was around this time, I think, about around 5 o'clock in the morning. So maybe that was later. Is this move here down, I think. Anyway, it came up to where we had this level already, I think. It came up during the time I wasn't recording. It then since went down, and as you see now, I have a new order here. I'm selling more. I entered actually too soon, but anyway, it's now hanging around the break-even level, and I'm still expecting it to come down. You see, my stop isn't as far away as that one, and my lot size isn't as big as that one, even though they're really, really, really small. This is a demo account. Let me just adjust this. I want this stop to be at least 20 pips. So it should be around there. I want it to be 20 pips from that high. So I expected if they try and clean up these highs, it will come up somewhere here. If it hits that one, anyway, we still have that one rolling. But I also expect it to come down and clean up these lows. And then again, when it goes down below this level, we'll stop the recording with 70 pips in profit, plus hopefully around 130 pips in profit in 2 trades. Just for money management sake, and just to give a tip on that, I do this, but I don't recommend doing this and entering while the other one is not with profit locked in. So in case, let's say you entered here and then you want to enter here, well, you could have that one at break even. But this is a demo, and I wanted to do a video with another entry just to show the same thing that happened here, and so on. So I did another entry. Usually I leave more space between the entries, but this is for study purposes. So it might be a good example. So I'll catch you guys later, and hopefully we'll be down here. It doesn't look like a very it will move much more today. The average is 82 pips. Today has moved 49, and I guess it will stay around here, reducing the average, but then hopefully by tomorrow moving something, even maybe moving up and then down. Well, let's see what happens. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Well, I'm back. As I expected, I wasn't at the computer at this time to close the video. It did retrace and now it's continuing down. I thought about should I enter again here or not. Didn't want to put another one too close, but this would have given us a nice entry from here, the break. So I'll put my video to rest. My target one is here, the other one is way lower. And anyway, the important thing was that you saw this entry somewhere around here. Then it moved down, went up, no stress, patient. Maximum drawdown on this trade was 12 pips. Our stop on this first trade was way above, but anyway, he only keeps going down. The drawdown on the first trade was only 12 pips, and the drawdown on the second trade was, when did I enter? Don't remember. Let's say it was here. I don't remember. 20 pips drawdown. So not even 30 pips on drawdown on. So if we had a stop at 30 pips, it was I think it was what we had on this trade. Here we would be okay. So the trade will be running, but let's just do this. Let's see, if we close the trade now, which I'm not going to do, but if we close it now, we would have 55 pips. On one trade. And on the other, we would have I guess that was 255. 78. 78 pips. So we have let me see. 133 pips in 2 trades in 1 week. If we had closed it now. But it keeps breaking the lows, so I'm gonna let it run. Anyway, the video's done. I hope hope it was clear. I personally don't use moving averages. This video was done just to help a person that I've been helping, and I've been helping him, and I gave him the moving averages as just a routine for him to control his trading. But anyway, hope it was clear and it helps somebody. So till the next video, bye bye.